Hello friends, this is Physio Meghna Dave. These days there is a rise in the number of ankle injuries happening to different age group thanks to all the athletic and physical activities that are being adopted by the newer and newer generation. Not just the newer generation, even the elders, the middle age, the millennials, the Gen Zs, all are understanding the importance of physical health and well-being. And that's why there is a rising trend of increase in participation when it comes to athletic and physical activities. But this brings one surprise, and that is injuries in ankles. Injuries in ankles are very common. Ankle sprain, be it ankle strain, be it a nerve injury or else a simple strain or sprain happening. All of these scenarios leads to ankle pain. Being a physiotherapist, I often recommend ankle straps to my patients, like the Agaro ankle compression support. Now, let me tell you why I recommend Agaro's ankle compression support to my patients. Ankle compression support is a compression garment that is designed to provide support, at the same time prevent edema development, spasm, at the same time allow healing to happen in the injured areas of ankle. There are many benefits of this ankle compression support, and here are few to name so. Number one, be it squatting, be it lunges, be it deadlifts, no matter what, your ankle can get injured due to the load that is falling over it. This can be prevented with the help of a good ankle support. Here are few benefits of wearing ankle compression support. Number one, it provides adequate support to your ankle, especially when you are working out or else you are involved in any of the athletic activities. Number two, it helps in reducing the pressure that's falling on your ankle by distributing the weight evenly around your ankle area. Number three, it will maintain proper joint alignment, proper biomechanics of your ankle, especially when there is a risk of injury. And number four, it aids in recovery post-workout, post an athletic activity, or else if you have some existing leg problem, for example, edema in leg, at the same time if there is any nerve injury that has happened around the ankle region. The ankle compression support comes in a universal size, and it comes with an adjustable straps which makes it so versatile that it can be used by any individual. The ankle compression support is adjustable, have a very comfortable design. It supports your ankle adequately, it easily provides protection to your joint structures like ligaments, tendons, muscles while you are involved in any of your physical activity, athletic activity or even workouts. It's even breathable. The material used here is so comfortable that it will not cause any kind of itching to you, and it will be easy for you to use. So now let me show you how you can use this belt. Unwrap the velcro strap and place your ankle properly. Cover your ankle with the help of these straps and adjust the fitting based on your comfort. You can use this while you are involved in any of the workout, or else you are doing your physical activity like standing, walking, jumping, or even you are involved in your athletic activities. That's not all. Even you can use it at night if the intention is to reduce the edema post-injury. I have recommended Agaro ankle compression support to many of my patients and would recommend it to you too. So I hope you found this information regarding Agaro's ankle compression support helpful. If you want further details, feel free to visit www.agaro.com and check out their products directly. I hope this product will definitely improve your ankle support and ankle health. See you next time.